This is what happens as you get the...
Yes.
Well, you know what? I won't hold you on here any longer because you probably could use some water
Sorry.
there. Hillary Clinton live from New York.
I talk way too much.
Seconds ago, and you can see her there having a little water and getting ready to begin. Let's listen in.
Boy, we have 63 days to go.
Listening to Hillary Clinton here about to begin her remarks in Cleveland.
Well, thank you. Whoa. Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you? In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, let me also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown